Hello students, a very warm welcome to my genetics class. This is the fourth lesson of our epistatic interaction series. Today we will be talking about a fresh new type of interaction. The name of the interaction is duplicate dominant epistasis. Duplicate dominant epistasis, right? Here, the on character of rice is taken under consideration. On character of rice is taken under consideration. Okay. See, when a dominant allele at either of the two loci can mask the expression of recessive alleles at the two loci, we call this type of interaction duplicate dominant epistasis. Okay, so what did I say? Should write. So what did I say? When a dominant allele, when a dominant allele at either of two loci, at either of the two loci can mask the expression, can mask the expression of recessive alleles of recessive alleles at the two loci. At the two loci, right? So here see development of on. Development of on is governed by and B. All right. That is 1 second. That is what? The presence of any of these two alleles can produce on. This means what? Presence of any of these two alleles can produce on. Can produce on. Okay. So it doesn't matter whether A is present or B is present, either of the two has got the potential to produce on. Okay. So this duplicate dominant character is expressed here. All right. And on less character governed by, okay, right? So cross is made. What cross is made here? Let's see. Capital A, capital A, capital B is crossed with small a, small b, small b. This is on rice. This is on less. Okay. This is what? Parental generation. In F1, what do you get? This is what you get in F1. Now this one is definitely what? On or on less. This is on. Why? Because what did I say? Presence of any of A and B can produce on. Here, both are present. Therefore, obviously it is on. Now, this cross, F2. This is what? Selfing is done. Okay. F2. Clear? To save time, I had already written, I have already drawn this checkerboard for you. Now we will see how many on rice are there and how many on less characters are there. Okay, I will use yellow color for on rice and white for on less. It is very easy. Why? See, you just need to look for either capital A or capital B. So this is on, this is everywhere you see capital A, either capital A or capital B is present or both are present. Only here you see, only here it is not present. Therefore, this is the only on less seed, on less rice. Okay. What conclusion can be drawn from here? $15 on rice and 1 on less rice. Therefore, the ratio is 15:1. Our 9:3:3:1 ratio gets modified to 15:1. Now, if we just write C, allele A is epistatic. You should know the explanation also, right? Allele A is epistatic to this. Therefore, all plants with A allele, that is capital A, with A allele will have on. Will have on, right? Is that okay? Now see, allele B is epistatic. Allele B is epistatic to this. Again, what? Therefore, all plants with B allele will also have on, isn't it? Will also have on. Very simple. Thus, on less condition is nothing but a double recessive variety. Double recessive. That is clear? Very easy, no? Okay, then. So we complete our duplicate dominant epistasis here. Thus, we can write the last line. The ratio 9:3:3:1 gets modified to 15:1, where 15 are on rice while 1 is only on less. So this is your answer. So thank you so much for attending the lecture. Stay tuned. We'll soon get back to you with the fresh new lesson of the series. Till then, goodbye.